cousins. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm your girl OhSo, and if you like what you see throughout this video, then feel free to subscribe. And when you subscribe to my channel, just like that, instantly you become one of my cousins. So today's video is going to be a hair review slash show and tell, and it's on this unit that I have on my head right now. This wig is from Gorgius Hair. I will have all their information linked down below in my description box. And with all that being said, let's hop right into it. If you guys are interested in this unit, again, I will have all the links in my description box. And how we feeling about headband wigs? I personally still am a fan. Now, I'm not going to bombard you guys with headband wigs galore, because I feel like once you try different textures, then it's like, okay, sis, I'm bored. However, for me and my personal lifestyle, I do love having a headband wig or two in my collection, because it's easy to plop on and go when you're in between styles, when you don't have enough time to fuss with your natural hair. If you like to wear frontals like myself and you don't feel like gluing anything down, or you don't have enough time, it's an easy way to look presentable and style your hair effortlessly in a short amount of time. Now, a unit like this, I would suggest that you you know what, I'm gonna take that back. I was about to say something, but I'm gonna take that back, because I initially thought this unit was going to be so high maintenance, but after I washed it and conditioned it, I was like, okay. And you guys seen prior my initial reactions when I first put it on. It looked good without any manipulation, any products, just fluffing it out and going. So if that's your style, then you will definitely like this wig. You don't have to have your edges laid like that. That's another thing that I like about this texture. It definitely mimics natural textured hair. So if your hair is similar to this, I definitely suggest this to you. You could even pull out some of your natural hair and just really fake it until you make it. I love headband wigs for the gym. And like I said, just when I need to run out the door and I want to look presentable, perfect. My particular specs on this unit is, of course, this is their kinky curly headband wig from Gorgius Hair, and I have it in 22 inches. So keep that in mind if you do decide to purchase this wig. This is how 22 inches will fall on you. I'm 5'2.5" inches tall, like itty bitty shorty committee. So if you want something longer, then definitely keep that in mind. I feel like if you get like a 20-inch, that would probably be like the perfect length. But I do love how this 22-inch is falling on me. I just feel tempted to kind of shape it, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yeah, I think 20 inches would do you well if you're around my height. I just want to go back in and reiterate the maintenance for this wig. It looks like it's going to be high maintenance straight out the package, but I tried a unit from a different company and I think it took me like 2 or 3 times before I could get that wig together. I cannot do that. Like, what's the purpose of a wig if I gotta fight with it more than I gotta fight with my own natural hair, right? But anyways, I know I'm long-winded, ain't I? But I just want to let you guys know what you're getting into if you do decide to purchase this wig. It's not one of those high maintenance kinky curly wigs. So if you like a natural look, definitely cop her. And let me see. So I'm on Gorgius's website. The starting price for this wig is $149.90, and I do have a coupon code, so I will link that in my description box. For my particular unit that I have on, it is $229.90. So I feel like that's like more of a mid price range in my opinion, but to some this may be super affordable and to others it may be extremely expensive. For me, in the how I spend my coins when I'm shopping for hair, I feel like it's like a mid-range price. So if you use my code OhSo17, you will save 17% off of this wig. So definitely utilize that coupon code. And they claim to ship out your unit within 24 hours of your purchase, and shipping time is 2 to 4 business days. I believe that I got mine in like 3 business days, and I live here in California. So any information that I can provide to you will be in my description box. I want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know how you feel about this wig. I think this is a year-round unit. Like, sometimes I'll be like, ooh, curly hair is for the winter time, but nah, that's a lie, because y'all know how I feel about some big hair, and I don't care what season it is. I'm a rock it. So yes, thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. Let me know what you think, and until next time, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys so much. Happy 2022. I cannot stop saying that. I can't believe we are already almost a week into this year. It's January the 4th as I'm filming this video. If you guys have some New Year's goals, I would love to hear them down below if you made it this far. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.